अखण्डं सच्चिदानन्दम् अवाङ्मनसगोचरम् आत्मानमखिलाधारम् आश्रयेऽभीष्टसिद्धये. Page number 95, topic number 166. अत्र तु परोक्षत्वापरोक्षत्वादीं विशिष्टचैतन्य एकत्वस्य वाक्यार्थस्य विरुद्धत्वात् तदपरित्यागेन तत्सम्बन्धिनः यस्य कस्यचिदर्थस्य लक्षितत्वेऽपि तद्विरोधपरिहार असम्भवात् अजहल्लक्षणा न संभवत्येव. अजहल्लक्षणा न संभवत्येव. We are seeing one of the important portion in Mahavakya Vichara. Tattvamasi Mahavakya can be arrived by that Bhaga Tyaga Lakshana. Akhandartha Bodhaka Jnanam can be accomplished only through this implied meaning. Lakshana means what? Implied meaning. Implied meaning means what? When the primary meaning is not giving total artha, then we go to that secondary meaning. When primary meaning is not giving total meaning, what we want to achieve, at that time we drop the primary meaning, we go to secondary meaning. That secondary meaning is called Lakshana. In this Mahavakya Tattvamasi, even that Lakshana also, only one particular Lakshana only suits into this Mahavakya, fits into this Mahavakya. There are three Lakshanas: Jahal Lakshana, Ajahal Lakshana, Jahad Ajahal Lakshana. Exclusive implied meaning, inclusive implied meaning, and exclusive inclusive implied meaning. That implied meaning is called Lakshana. So wherever Lakshana comes, we have to remember that. Lakshanam vandunde irukke continuously. So when we are discussing this Jahad Ajahal Lakshana or Bhaga Tyaga Lakshana, and many opinions or views, author is giving the explanations how they are fallacious. Purvapakshi, why can't we take Jahal Lakshana? One Purvapakshi comes and argue, and another Purvapakshi comes, why can't we take Ajahal Lakshana? Why you are so fanatic to take only Jahad Ajahal Lakshana? Like that, some arguments author introducing here, even though they are not useful for us, but புத்தி கொஞ்சம் ஷார்பன் பண்ணணும்னு you have to study them. For that sake we are seeing. So you know what is Jahal Lakshana, Ajahal Lakshana, Bhagatyaga Lakshana. In this 166, the author presents finally Purva Vailakshanya Dyotanartham Atra Tuna. As you said, Jahal Lakshana, Ajahal Lakshana will not work here. Vaina Parokshatva, Aparokshatvadi Visishta Chaitanya Ekatvasya. So Vishishta Chaitanyam is not Shuddha Chaitanyam. Vishishta Chaitanya means what? At Paramatma level, Prapanchatraya Sahita Chaitanyam, Vishishta Chaitanyam. Paramatma. Tat Padam. And Tsampada also, Shariratraya Chaitanyam is Jivatma. Tsampada. Okay? Tatpada Paramatma Vishishta Chaitanya. Vishishta Chaitanya manna Upadhi Sahitam anartham. Vishishta means what? Upadhi anartham. With attributes, superior attributes, Prapanchatrayam. Vishwa Taijasa, Prajna at individual level, Virat, Hiranyagarbha, Ishvara at total level. So that is called Vishishta Chaitanyam. Tvampada level Vishishta Chaitanyam, Tatpada level Vishishta Chaitanyam. These two Vishishta Chaitanyams, Ekatvasya Vakyarthasya Viruddhatvad. You cannot talk about their aikyam. Both are diagonally opposite. Prapanchatrayam macro level, Shariratrayam micro level. Both are diagonally opposite because of those limitations. Limitations at individual level, superior attributes at Paramatma level, Viruddhatvat. So Mahavakya, Aikyam is not possible, Viruddhatvat. Tad aparityagena tat sambandhinaha. Aparityagena means without giving up those attributes. Ajahal Lakshana. Without giving up those attributes, tat sambandhinaha, what are all connected to, associated to that Jivatma and Paramatma, aparityagena tat sambandhinaha, or tat sambandhinaha aparityagena kasyachid ardhasya lakshitatvepi. Here we are seeing in the last class. So Jivatma attributes you want to retain, Paramatma attributes also you want to retain. Author is just giving answer to that Purvapaksha. You want to retain, Aikyam can never be possible. With the attributes of Parama, superior, with the attributes of Jiva, the inferior, in Ajahati, without giving up contradictory attributes, Tat Sambandhi means Lakshita, Lakshitatvepi. Even you take implied meaning. Lakshita means what? Lakshana, you want to take that meaning, Aikyam, Lakshitatvepi. Even if you add a new additional word, Ajahati in anartham, without giving up the primary meaning and you add something more. That is Esya Kasyachit Arthasya. An additional word as in the Shono Dhavati. Red one runs. So what you did there? Ajahal Lakshana, red horse. Shono Ashvaha Dhavati. You have taken Ashvaha. Ajahati Lakshana. Like that, here also Ajahal Lakshana, if you want to take, it will not work. That is the meaning. Tad virodha pariharaha asambhavat. The contradictory attributes, virodha, pariharam, you cannot do. Asambhavam. Impossible to do pariharam for those attributes if you accept those attributes. Parihar asambhavat ajahal lakshana na sambhavati eva. Ajahal lakshana is not at all possible. Up to here we saw in the last class. Now these two more paras are also very, very technical. Afterwards we can take very, very leisurely we can study. Koncham porumaya irungo konja neram. We are listening from long time, I know. From so many classes we are discussing this Lakshana. Heavy topic. What to do? I have no choice. Very rarely occasion we get like this to study. Let us see. These two topics also we'll read. Nacha tatpadam tvam padam va swartha viruddhamsha parityagena amshantara sahitam tvam padartham tatpadartham va lakshayati ataha katham prakarantarena bhagalakshana angikaranam iti vachyam. So Purvapakshi, he gives a funny argument here. Last funny argument. What he says, Tvampada Chaitanyam, Tatpada Chaitanyam. Okay, I give very slowly explanation so that you can understand easily. Tvampada means what? Chaitanyam plus inferior attributes. Tvampada. Tvampada means Chaitanyam plus inferior attributes means Shariratrayam, body, mind, complex, Stula, Sukshma, Karana, Sharira. Tatpada means what? Chaitanyam plus superior attributes, Prapanchatrayam. Stula Prapancha, Sukshma Prapancha, Karana Prapancha. This is what we have understood. Tatpada, Tvampada. Now, this Purvapakshi want to say, why Bhagatyaga Lakshana? You take Chaitanyam from one and add. Now you have to write like this. Tatpada is equal to Chaitanyam plus superior attributes we said. Now what he says, Shuddha Chaitanyam plus, now this is application, Shuddha Chaitanyam plus Sarvajnatvam Ishvara. Okay, Paramatma Chaitanya. Shuddha Chaitanyam plus Sarvajnatvam becomes what? Tatpada. Shuddha Chaitanyam plus Alpajnatvam Shariratrayam become what? Tvampada. Equation. Maatipudi pottukanam. Shuddha Chaitanyam plus Sarvajnatvam Prapanchatrayam Ishvara. Paramatma. Shuddha Chaitanyam plus Alpajnatvam Shariratrayam Jivatma. You have to write up and down, not continuously. So you also prepare like that, you can understand. What he want to say, that Shuddha Chaitanyam add to this Jiva, Shuddha Chaitanyam plus Alpajna Jiva. You give up that Sarvajnatvam, you add to this. Shuddha Chaitanyam. First you have written Shuddha Chaitanyam Paramatma. Okay, Shuddha Chaitanyam Prapanchatrayam. Shuddha Chaitanyam Shariratrayam. What he want to say, அந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருக்கிற பிரபஞ்சத்திரையும் விட்டுட்டு இந்த சுத்த சைத்தன்யம் பிளஸ் திஸ் அல்பஜ்ஞத்துவம் சரீரத்ரயம் யூ ஆட். தட்ஸ் வாட் ஹி சேஸ். தத்பதம் த்வம்பதம் வா ஸ்வார்த்த விருத்தாம்ச பரித்யாகேன. Swartha means its own meaning. Swartha means bhagalakshana. Bhagalakshana. Swartha, what is viruddhamsha? That sarvajnatva, viruddhamsha. You give that bhaga. Bhaga parityagena. Swartha viruddha amsha parityagena. That means அந்த பரமாத்மனோ இருக்கிற பிரபஞ்சத்ரயம் you give up. Then what? அம்சாந்தர சகிதம் த்வம்பதார்த்தம். అంశ అంతర సహితం. దిస్ త్వం పదార్థంలో అంశ ఇరుక இல்லையா, అది సహితం అన్నాడు. టేక్ దిస్ శరీరత్రయం అండ్ శుద్ధ చైతన్యం ఆఫ్ జీవాత్మ అండ్ యాడ్ టు దిస్ శుద్ధ చైతన్యం ఆఫ్ పరమాత్మ. వాట్ యు హ్యావ్ గివెన్ అప్? சர்வஜ்ஞத்வம் ஆஃப் பரமாத்மா யூ கிவ் அப். ஆர் இப்படி பண்ணலாம். ஆர் வாட் யூ கேன் டூ? Shuddha Chaitanyam of Jivatma you take. Give up the Sariratrayam of Jivatma. Take this Jivatma to that Shuddha Chaitanyam Sarvajnatma of Paramatma. ஏதோ ஒரு attribute you give up. Two attributes you need not give up. இதிலாவது அதிலாவது attributes give up பண்ணு. சுத்த சைத்தன்யம் தானே உனக்கு வேணும். இந்த கான்ட்ரடிக்ஷன் attributesல தானே வருது. Both if you want to join only contradiction. One type of attributes இருந்தா no contradiction. அவன் பாருங்க எவ்வளவு சமத்தா யோசிக்கிறானோ, நம்ம யோசிக்க மாட்டோம். He thinks, శరీరత్రయం ప్రపంచత్రయం ఆర్ అల్పజ్ఞత్వం సర్వజ్ఞత్వం రెండు சேர்ந்தாதானே விருத்தம் வருது. அதனால அந்த விருத்தம் இல்லாமல் இருக்கணும்னு ஏதோ ஒண்ணு விடு. புரியுறதோ? சுத்த சைத்தன்யம் பிளஸ் சர்வஜ்ஞத்வம்னா இருக்கும். ஆர் சுத்த சைத்தன்யம் பிளஸ் அல்பஜ்ஞத்வம்னா இருக்கும். என்ன தகராறு? ப்ராப்ளமே இல்லையே. அவன் எனக்கு இதுதான் ஃபன்னின்னா, நமக்கு அதெல்லாம் புரிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் இது ஃபன்னியா இருக்கும் இல்லையா? That's what he says. Tvam padartham va tat padartham va. So when we are taking tatpadam, we have seen tatpadam plus tatpadanlo shuddha chaitanyam plus shuddha chaitanyam of jivatma and alpajnatvam, we have taken one group. இல்லைன்னா என்ன பண்ணணும்? துவம்பதம்ல இருக்கிற சுத்த சைத்தன்யம் அண்ட் துவம்பதம்ல இருக்கிற இந்த சர்வ அல்பஜ்ஞத்வம், இது ரெண்டும் சேர்த்த துவம்பதம். What you have to do? Tvampada Shuddha Chaitanyam Alpajnatvam. Shuddha Chaitanyam Sarvajnatvam and Alpajnatvam vidu. Give up the Alpajnatvam, take Shuddha Chaitanyam of Jiva and take Shuddha Chaitanyam of Paramatma and Sarvajnatvam. Where is the problem? Where is the problem? No contradiction. Tvampadam va tatpadam va. திருப்பி சொல்றேன், நான் உங்களுக்கு நல்லா புரியும். தத்பதன்லோ சுத்த சைத்தன்யம் இருக்கா இல்லையா? சுத்த சைத்தன்யம். சர்வஜ்ஞத்வம் இஸ் தேர். ஜீவாத்மாலோ சுத்த சைத்தன்யம், அல்பஜ்ஞத். யூ வாண்ட் டு ஆட் போத் ஆஃப் தெம். ஐக்கியம் தானே உங்களுக்கு வேணும். பாகம் தானே தியாகம் பண்ணணும். ஐ வாண்ட் டு கிவ் அப் ஒன் பாகா. భాగం త్యాగం పడిన ఇది సర్వజ్ఞతన్ పరమాత్మలో త్యాగం పడి ఐ జాయిన్. ఆర్ జీవాలో అల్పజ్ఞత్వం విట్టితే భాగం త్యాగం పడి ఐ జాయిన్. వై ఐ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ అప్ బోత్ అట్రిబ్యూట్స్? బోత్ మిక్స్ பண்ணாதானே கான்ட்ரடிக்ஷன். ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் டு கிவ் அப் போத் த அட்ரிபியூட்ஸ். ஏதோ ஒரு அட்ரிபியூட் கிவ் அப் பண்ண நோ கான்ட்ரடிக்ஷன், சண்டை வராது. He is thinking. That is the meaning here. Lakshayati ataha katham prakarantarena bhagalakshana angikaranam. What you are telling bhagatyaga lakshana not necessary. I am taking in this manner. I will explain. Further explanation comes for this in the next topic also. 168, that only author is going to refute. So once author is refuting, we can understand clearly. If up to here, this much is sufficient. Prakarantarena means another interpretation. Katham prakarantarena, another interpretation. Bhagalakshana angikaranam iti vachyam. Bhagalakshana angikaranam edukku. I want to do Bhagalakshana in this manner, not in your manner, he says. Then author is going to refute that view. What are all the fallacies? 3 doshas he is going to present in the 168th topic. If you take like this, as I said before, 3 doshas will come. What are those 3 doshas? Author gives 2 doshas. We can supply 1 more dosha, 3 doshas side. Let us read that 168. Ekena padena swarthamsha padarthantarah ubhaya lakshanayah asambhavat padantarena tadartha pratitau lakshanaya punaha tat pratitim apeksha abhavacham. Now, how the author is going to refute this? How he did first. How that Purvapakshi funny argument he did. That he is explaining here. Explain Pandi and the explanation lone is showing the dosha. How he did. In your interpretation, author says, in your interpretation, you have taken Bhaga Lakshana also and Ajahati Lakshana also. Author says to him, 167th topic law, O Purvapakshi, you have taken Bhaga Lakshana as well as Ajahati Lakshana. How he did, we have to see in this topic. Ajahati Lakshana mixture and applying the Lakshana for one word. Applying the Lakshana for one word. Using Bhagatyaga Lakshana, using Ajahati Lakshana and applying one more word. Ajahati what we do? Applying one more word. Inclusion. Inclusion. Applying one more word is not possible. Taking 2 lakshanas and including one word is not possible. How he did, first dosha he is telling. Tatu reveal Chaitanya Sahita Jivatma. First he has arrived at what? Purvapakshi. Tat reveal, Paramatma reveal, Chaitanyam plus Jivatma. Chaitanyam plus Jivatma. Chaitanya Sahita Jivatma, first he has arrived at. Suddha Chaitanyam and Jivatma. Jivatma Sahita Chaitanyam. So Jivatma, Chaitanya Sahita Jivatma, first he has arrived at Chaitanyam. Chaitanyam, Chaitanyam. Aikyam. And then you want both the Shuddha Chaitanyams have to join. So that alone you want. That I have done it, he says. Arrived by Chaitanyam. Then he added what? Jivatma. How he added Jivatma? Because he has not removed the Shariratrayam. He added Jivatma to Shuddha Chaitanyam. Shuddha Chaitanyam of what? Paramatma. Shuddha Chaitanyam of Paramatma, he added the Jivatma, that attributes. Because Tat does not have the meaning of Jivatma. Tattula Jivatma irka kadiyadu. And what he did, Sarvajnatma he dropped. Sarvajnatma he had dropped. Now this Shuddha Chaitanyam and Shuddha Chaitanya he has to join. To join, what he did, this Jivatma, he has joined with that Tat Shuddha Chaitanya. In the Jivatma, Jivatma we can call as long as Shariratrayam is there. In the Jivatma, he mixed with Shuddha Chaitanyam of Tat Paramatma, along with the attributes. That's the Jivatma plus Shuddha Chaitanyam of Tat. So he arrived at it. What Lakshana is it? Bhaga Lakshana. And adding Jivatma is Ajahal Lakshana. Giving up Sarvajnatvam is Bhaga Lakshana. Adding Jivatma to Shuddha Chaitanyam of Paramatma on the Ajahal Lakshana. Ajahal Lakshana. Inclusion. So, how did he arrive at that Chaitanyam? By negating the Prapanchatrayam. By negating the Prapanchatrayam of Paramatma. By negating the Prapanchatrayam of Paramatma, he has arrived Chaitanyam. He has arrived at that Chaitanyam. And to arrive at Chaitanyam, he has already what? What he has already used? He has used this Bhaga Lakshana. He has used the Bhaga Lakshana. To arrive at the Chaitanyam, he has used that Bhaga Lakshana. So, he has arrived at Chaitanyam. To arrive at that Chaitanyam, he has used Bhaga Lakshana by giving up Paramatma Prapanchatrayam. One Lakshana he has used. Then he added Jivatma to he added Jivatma of Tvampada to Shuddha Chaitanyam of Paramatma. Adenna Lakshanam? Ajahati Lakshanam. So Ajahati Lakshanam. So Lakshana Dvaya Prayogaha. Lakshana Dvaya Prayogaha. Which is Gaurava Dosha. Which is called Gaurava Dosha. I will explain you, then I will come to word meaning. Okay, this is called Gaurava Dosha. What is the second dosha? This is first dosha. That is Swardha Amsha Padarthantara Ubhaya Lakshanayah. The meaning we will see later. Now what is the second dosha that comes in that second line? Punaha tat pratiti is the second dosha. Punaha tat pratiti apeksha abhavacha is second dosha. I will explain the second dosha now. Author says, you are making use of tatpada. You are making use of tatpada to arrive at Chaitanya Sahita Jivatma. You are arriving at Tatpada by using the Chaitanya Sahita Jivatma. So, Tvampada Moolama Chaitanya Sahita Paramatma Varadu. Tvampada Moolama Chaitanya Sahita Paramatma Varadu. Ye Varadu. What is the dosha? He says, the author put a question to Purvapakshi. Why should you arrive at Jivatma? Why should you arrive at Jivatma with the help of Tatpada? Why should you arrive at Jivatma with the help of Shuddha Chaitanyam? Tatpada alone Shuddha Chaitanya has taken. With the help of that, he is arriving at Jivatma. What is the necessity? He is asking, what is the necessity? Through implication, you are doing this. what is the necessity of using that tatpada Shuddha Chaitanyam to arrive at Jivatma? So at truth Tvampada, when Jivatma can be arrived at through Tvampada itself, Jivatma is available through what pada? Tvampada itself. இந்த ஜீவாத்மா அரைவ் பண்றதுக்காக அந்த சுத்த சைத்தன்யம் எனக்கு தேவையே இல்லையே, இங்க சைத்தன்யம் இருக்கே. To establish Jivatma, you need not borrow that Chaitanyam of Tatpada. Why you are using that? Tvampada itself directly is having, why are you arriving at Tvampada through Tatpada? Why are you arriving at Tvampada through Tatpada? Via implication, when it is directly there. So it is called Gaurava dosha when Vachyartha itself conveying the meaning, you need not go to Lakshana. Jivatma means what? Shuddha Chaitanya, Shariratrayam. So you need not go to second Lakshana at all. So similarly, when Paramatma can be arrived at directly, we can arrive at Paramatma. What is Paramatma? Shuddha Chaitanyam plus Prapanchatrayam. Prapanchatrayam plus Shuddha Chaitanyam Paramatma. அந்த பரமாத்மாக்காக நீங்க துவம்பதல்ல அல்பக்ஞத்துவம் விட்டுட்டு இந்த சுத்த சைத்தன்யம் எடுத்துட்டு போய் அவர்கிட்ட மிக்ஸ் பண்ணணுமா, தேவையான்னு? பரமாத்மா இஸ் அவைலபிள் டைரக்ட்லி, ஜீவாத்மா இஸ் அவைலபிள் டைரக்ட்லி. Therefore you need not use bhaga lakshana, ajahati lakshana. ரெண்டுமே தேவையில்லை. This is second dosha. Tvampada by implication is also not necessary. So the second dosha is in this manner. When a particular meaning can be directly arrived, when a particular meaning can be directly arrived, then arriving at the same meaning through implication is redundant exercise. When the direct meaning we are able to get, going to the secondary meaning using this implication is useless exercise, not necessary at all. It is like catching the nose. No? Where is your nose? இங்கே தானே இருக்குன்னு இப்படி காமிக்காமலே இப்படி round about he shows the nose. Like this person is talking. Sometimes பூரபக்ஷம் புரிஞ்சுக்கிறதே கஷ்டம் நமக்கு, அசல் விஷயம் புரியும். ஓகே, so applying implication lakshana when it is not required is called dosha. Applying lakshana, either ajahati lakshana or bhaga lakshana, when it is not required, you are applying, it is itself is a dosha. Then what is third dosha? அது கூட சொல்லி அப்புறம் அது will come to that meaning, word to word meaning. We supply this third dosha. Tatpada is used by double implication. Dosha is what? Tatpada you have used by double implication. What double implication? Bhaga lakshana and ajahati lakshana. That dvaya prayoga. Lakshana dvaya prayoga you have done to arrive at Chaitanya Sahita Jivatma. That Jivatma indicated by what? Shariratrayam. That Jivatma is indicated by Shariratrayam. To arrive at this Shariratrayam, how many lakshanas you have used? 2 lakshanas. Bhaga lakshana, ajahati lakshana. For this one joke, they say, Sardarji, his wife asked him, see, you are wearing these socks from so many weeks. it smells so much. Today we are going to a function, reception. So change your socks, she said. Sardarji said, okay, I will change. Then he has changed his socks and went to a reception. She also followed him. Both of them went to reception. After some time, when they are taking dinner, she asked, I have asked you to change your socks. Have you not changed your socks? She asked him. Yes, I have changed. New socks I am putting in. Then why smell is coming in? That old socks I kept in my pocket. Old socks I kept in my pocket. What happened? There is no use of changing new socks. Adi madri, in the Purupakshi, carrying that Sharira Trayam to establish Shuddha Chaitanyam, carrying this like old socks madri, and the limitations tiripedi ponuma. Is it that? Moksha means what? I have to falsify these limitations. Achipichu madri, in the limitations kuda and the Shuddha Chaitanyati upai adi rendu lakshanas use panni. Bhaga lakshana, ajahati lakshana use panni. Edukahana. In the Sharira Trayati kahava, who will come to Vedanta class? Mokshame varade. It's not possible. Dosha. Therefore, then when he come to Chaitanya Sahita Jivatma, that Jivatma included Sharir Trayam through Tvampada. When you arrive at Chaitanya Sahita Paramatma, there the Paramatma include Prapanchatrayam. Appadi pona Prapanchatrayam vidadu. Ippadi vanda Shariratrayam vidadu. Both of them are limited. Even Prapanchatrayam also what? Asti jayate vardhate viparinamate. Macro level also there is a nasha. Micro level also there is a nasha. You have to arrive at Shuddha Chaitanya which is free from Shadvikaras. One you take also Shadvikaras will come. You have to arrive at Shadvikara Rahita Prapanchatraya Sariratraya Vilakshana Atma Shuddha Atma Ahamasmi. You have to arrive at. Therefore, ultimately, through double implication, he has not yet rejected what? Attributes. He has not rejected the opposite attributes. There is a problem continues. Problem will continue. Moksham varadu. This is the third dosha. Look into that paragraph now. Ekena padena swartha amsha padartha antarena. Here swartha means Chaitanya amsha retained. Chaitanya amsha retained anartham bhagam anartham. Swarthana or bhaga lakshana you have taken. Swartha amsha. Application of bhaga lakshana. Padartha antaraha. Padartha antaraha means adding the Paramatma to the meaning. Padartha antara means adding the meaning. Adding the Paramatma to the meaning of Jivatma. It's called Ajahati Lakshana. Ubhaya Lakshana has come here. Adding Jivatma is Ajahati Lakshana. Swartha Parityagam Amsham Matram Edikarade Bhaga Lakshana. So two Lakshanas you have taken. Asambhavat. Two Lakshanas will never take place in same place. For one word, revelation, you should not take two Lakshanas. Asambhavat. Then Padantarena. Padantarina means through tatpada. Through tatpada, tadartha pratiti. When Paramatma is directly revealed, tadartha pratiti. Pratiti is jnanam, understanding. When Paramatma is directly revealed, lakshanaya punaha, by implication, again, tat pratiti, Paramatma jnanam, tat prati means Paramatma jnanam, punaha apeksha abhavacha. The meaning of understanding the Paramatma through implication is not there. Apeksha abhava means it is not there. What is not there? Apeksha is not there. Tat pratiti apeksha abhava. Tat pratiti means what? The meaning of understanding the Paramatma through implication is not there. இந்த மாதிரி கஷ்டமான ஒரு போர்ஷன் கூட இருக்குமா சுவாமினி? You see, if you go to advanced texts of Vedanta, this is nothing actually. You imagine how genius our people are. How genius. Very, very sharp intellect. நமக்கு இப்போ இன்டலெக்டே குறைச்சல். அந்த ஷார்ப்னஸ் அது மேல குறைச்சல். That's why they never carried away by the materialistic pleasures. If your sense organs go towards the external pleasure, sense pleasures, your sharpness, the intellect sharpness will come down. Very, very, very less intellect. Therefore, they have never given an opportunity for sense pleasures. Because they have used their senses for higher knowledge. அதனால nowadays people are not able to understand. Not nowadays. அப்பவே சொன்னார் கிருஷ்ண பரமாத்மா என்ன மனுஷ்யாணாம் சஹஸ்ரேஷு கஸ்தித் யததி சித்தையே. இந்த மாதிரி டீச்சர்ஸ் யாராவது 1-2 பேர் இருந்து இந்த lakhs of people யாரோ 2 பேர் 2-3 people teach, who will listen? When the media is available like that and a lot of interactions are there, who will receive this teaching, you tell me? How difficult. That's why no teacher is available to teach the toughest subject nowadays. That's why they are diluting. யாரு கேட்கறதுக்கே இல்லைன்னா என்ன பண்றது? செவரு கூட உட்கார்ந்து பேசிட்டே இருக்கணும். He cannot talk to the wall, no? He requires a sentient being who can grasp. So therefore the teacher has to do lot of drilling. Padichi, and she has to prepare the students. She has to drill the minds of the students. What? And to apply this teaching into their minds. To imbibe this teaching into their minds. And any teacher, Vedantic teacher, has to struggle like anything. Has to struggle. And we have to communicate in such a language that what you can understand. Sardarji Saksu Joli. In the Bhagalakshanlo, and ரொம்ப ஒரு இனிமையான ஒரு மகா வாக்கியத்தில் சர்தார் எதுக்கு எனக்கு சொல்றதுக்கு மனசு வரல. ஆனா என்ன பண்றது? Our teachers use that. We have to use like that. இன்னொரு சர்தார்ஜி என்ன சொன்னார்? அதே சர்தார்ஜிரா. He went one function, you know, and there people said, asked, why you are wearing 2 colors of socks? Either you have to wear grey color, both of them must be grey. Or both the socks must be, right leg and left leg must be black. And he is wearing one grey color, one black color. Why you is wearing 2 colors? You should not wear like that. So what? I have another pair at home also, same 2 colors. இங்க இருக்கிறது அங்க இருந்த என்ன நஷ்டம் என்னன்னு சொல்றேன். Grey color is, where is it in my house? Where is another black color? That is also in my house. That pair is in my house. This pair I am wearing. Same color தானே உனக்கு வேணும், இருக்க வீட்டில் இருக்கன்னு சொன்ன பைத்தியம் அர்த்தம். சர்தார்ஜி என்ன இந்த மாதிரி ஜோக்ஸ் எல்லாம் சொல்லுவான். Another joke சொன்னா இன்னொரு சர்தார், one day he is walking, ரொம்ப terse subject, that's why I want to give some jokes. One Sardarji, when he is walking, suddenly he looked into a well, and he saw the moon in that. He saw the moon, Purnami day, full moon. அவன் என்ன நினைச்சா, ஐயோ மூன் விழுந்துட்ட, கிணறுல விழுந்துட்டான்னு சொல்லி ஒரு கயிறு கட்டி அந்த கயிறு he dropped into that well. He dropped that kite inside and he started bringing the moon outside. He wanted to bring the moon outside. And while he is pulling this rope, catch that one small stone. And when he is pulling, the stones எல்லாம் இருக்கும் இல்லையா கீழே, ஒரு stone also coming out of along with the rope. Then he thought, moon is coming. A lot of weight is there. When he is pulling out, there is a lot of weight. That means moon is coming. And he pulling and because of that weight, he fell down backside. Once he fell down, he saw up. Moon. Moon has come out. See, because of my effort, moon has come out. என்ன பைத்தியம், மூணாவது விடுறது என்ன கணர்ல. இந்த மாதிரி people are all struggling. I want to become Brahman. Are you already Brahman? You need not become Brahman. ஒத்துக்க மாட்டானே. They don't believe. அந்த சர்தார் மாதிரி விழுந்துட்டு முக்தன் நான் இப்போ அந்த மூணு பார்த்துட்டு. That's why I am Ashuddhaha, I am Baddhaha, I want to become Muktaha. That craziness should go away. That notion to be dropped. Dropping that notion alone is called Jnana. The whole drilling and matter, every class hammering the sharpening, what brain wash பண்ணணும் இல்லை. ஒரு மகா வாக்கியம் என்ன பண்ணுறதுன்னு பிரெயின் வாஷிங். அஃப்கோர்ஸ் ஃபைனலி வாட், உபய லக்ஷணா வேண்ட, நான் சொன்ன லக்ஷணாத லக்ஷணா. வாட் இஸ் தட் லக்ஷணா? லெட் அஸ் ரீட். வில் கன்க்ளூட் திஸ் டாபிக். வாட் இஸ் த டாபிக்? என்ன? பாகத்யாக லக்ஷணா alone is sufficient. Topic number 169. This is Pratigna we saw in 151, 52, 53. Now he is concluding that. There ange Pratigna, inge Upasamhara. Tasmat yatha soyam devadatta iti vakyam tadartho vam tatkalam etatkalam vishishtam devadatta lakshanasya vakyarthasya amshe virodhat viruddha tatkalam etatkala vishishtamsham parityajyam aviruddham devadattamshamatram lakshayati tatha tattvamasi iti vakyam tadartho va parokshatva aparokshatvadim विशिष्ट चैतन्य एकत्व लक्षणस्य वाक्यार्थस्य अंशे विरोधात् विरुद्ध परोक्षत्व अपरोक्षत्व विशिष्टांशम् परित्यज्य अविरुद्धम् अखंड चैतन्यमात्रम् लक्षयतीति. That yakara is appearing as a makara. It is lakshayatiti. Ma theriyadu. That means my eyes are functioning properly. Okay. Now I need not explain this, no? You all can understand easily now. Tasmat, therefore. Therefore means wherefore. Since your bhaga lakshana and ajahati lakshana or jahati lakshana separately also will not suit in this Mahavakya Tattvamasi, will not fit into Mahavakya. Therefore, like in Soyam Devadatta, Sahayam Devadattaha iti Vakyam, Tadarthova Tatkala Etatkala Vishishta Devadatta Lakshanasya Vakyarthasya Amshe Virodhat. So, that Devadatta and this Devadatta or Amsham is Viruddham. Amsham is Viruddha means what? That Devadatta was young, this Devadatta is old. That Devadatta is having curling hair, this Devadatta is bald head. Like this, so many differences we saw. Viruddham or Amsham Viruddham. Therefore, Viruddhatvad. Viruddha Tatkala Etatkala Vishishtamsham. That Vishishta Amsham edena, the body. That body is the Visishta Amsham. Upadhi is the Visishta Amsham. Parityaja. That youth and old Vishishta Devadatta Amsham Parityaja. What is Aviruddham? Avane Ivan. That Chaitanyam, that Devadatta alone is this Devadatta, even though there are different attributes. But originally he is same Devadatta. Aviruddha Amsha you take. Give up the Viruddha Amsha. Take up the Aviruddha Devadatta Amsha Matram Lakshayati. Oru Bhagam Matram Tyagam Pandi Tatkala Etatkala Vishishta Amsham Tyagam Pandi. Aviruddhamana Chaitanya Amsham or Devadatta Amsham in example of Devadatta. Person. You take person, not his attributes. Don't ask, he was having curling hair, this person is having bald head, therefore how can I accept that person is this person? Devadatta. I don't want to accept அப்படி சொல்லாதே. ஆள் ஒண்ணுதான். ஒரே ஆள். இந்த changes are all temporary. That's why when you show your photo, சின்ன வயசுல எல்லாம் crawling ageல எல்லாருக்கும் ஒரு photo இருக்கும். இல்லையோ? துணி இருக்காது உடம்பு மேல. துணி இல்லாமலே குப்புற போட்டுட்டு photo எடுப்பா. ஏன்னா you look so beautiful that time. And that அந்த photo ஜாகிரதையா பத்திரமா வச்சுப்போம். எப்போ when we see it, when our grandchildren comes, நான் பாரு என்னோட photo பாரு, சின்ன வயசுல எப்படி இருக்க தாத்தா நீயா நம்ம முடியலையே நானே தாப்பா my photo only. How a baby child can believe, no? Since Tata is telling his own photo, the child has to believe. Grandson has to believe. Yes, my Tata knows his own photo. Who knows otherwise? Therefore, child believe. Yes, the Tata only. What a contradiction. A lot of difference is there. But person is baby, that Tata, now Tata, both are one and the same. Mahavakyam. Baby Tata, old Tata are one and the same. The child has got jnanam. What? Baby Tata and old Tata are one and the same. Gatti velam. And the child is so happy. Tata, Amma, I am looking same like you know, you see. இந்த கிராண்ட் சன்னுக்கு அப்படியே தாத்தா மாதிரி இருக்க, இந்த ஃபோட்டோ அந்த ஃபோட்டோ ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஸோ சைல்டு ரியல்லி பிலீவ்ஸ் நோ exactly because I am your grandson, no, I am same like you. The same way now Mahavakyam also tatha, in the same manner Tattvamasi iti vakyam tadartho va. You take Tattvamasi Mahavakyam to the meaning of that tadarthaha parokshatva aparokshatvadi vishishta chaitanyam. That Paramatma, this Jivatma, paroksham. That Paramatma is indirect, I am not experiencing. This Jivatma is a direct aparoksham. Tat paroksham tvam aham aparoksham. Parokshatva aparokshatvadi vishishta chaitanyam ekatvam lakshyasya lakshanasya. Ekatvam means vakyarthasya amshe virodhat. That Paramatma and this Jivatma lo oru amsham da viruddham. What is that? Prapanchatrayam, Shariratrayam is the difference. So the whole, all students to put together Prapanchatrayam. If I take myself alone, Jivatma. So all bodies and this body, all bodies to put together Prapanchatrayam. In this body, Shariratrayam. You keep that Shariratrayam and Prapanchatrayam separately. In Prapanchatrayam, what is there? Prapanchatrayam lo Chaitanyam is there. Shariratrayam lo what is there? Chaitanyam is there. So that Prapanchatrayam, Shariratrayam amsham you give up. What amsham you take? Prapanchatrayam lo irukra Chaitanyam, Shariratrayam lo irukra Chaitanyam ponnuda. So I am only appearing in those bodies. So I am appearing in all bodies. All pervading, all pervading, all pervading. As what? Chaitanya Rupena. That's what he says. Vishishta Chaitanya ekatva lakshanasya vakyarthasya amshe virodhat viruddha parokshatva aparokshatva. As long as you see the Paramatma total level, you cannot go America, Australia, Africa and all. பிரபஞ்சத்ரயம் பார்க்க முடியுமா? பார்க்க முடியாது. விருத்தம் போக முடியாது, பார்க்க முடியாது, தெரிஞ்சுக்கவும் முடியாது. ஆத்மா மூலமா இங்க இருந்து சொல்லலாம். మయ్యేవ సకలంజ ఆస్ట్రియాలోను నానేదా, అమెరికాలోను నా పాఠము నానే, భావము నానే. వేర్ am I now? அந்த கொஸ்டின் கேட்டா we should not answer where I am not. Where am I now? Where am I not? I have to say. Everywhere. I am everywhere. As what? OC. I am everywhere as through Shariram. As Atma. Mamiyarla? I am there. Mahamanarla? I am there. Crocodile, scorpion, lizard, birds, animals, trees. No caste bar, no religion, no caste, nothing. From Atma Drishtya, Paramardhika Drishtya, Aham Chaitanyam Asmi. So, Vishishtamsham Parityajya Aviruddham Akhanda Chaitanya Matram Lakshayatina. Indivisible Atma. Can you divide Atma? Therefore, indivisible Atma, Aham Asmi. Therefore, who am I now? Brahma Asmi. Where am I? All pervading. All pervading. All pervading. So, therefore what? Sarvam Brahmamayam. Sarvam Brahmamayam. Sarvam Ahammayam. I am everything. Mayeva Sakalam Jatam. Jivan muktaha asmi. With temporary bodies, I enjoy the beauty, variety, novelty. Swamiji says, enjoy the novelty, beauty, variety. What is the problem? No problem. Therefore, go and eat nicely dinner. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.